We want to make sure that we are giving back to the dental community in terms of real value, and not just have the perception that we're an insurance provider that just takes clients' premiums once a year and then reacts to claims when they come in. We want to do more than that. We want to make sure that we're actually working with dentists to reduce the risk of claims coming in the first place, and when things do go wrong, they've put in place the right steps to reduce the cost of any litigation. As a result of that, we can make sure that we're always offering the most competitive premiums that we possibly can do, which I know is something going against the grain of recent years, because dentists have seen premiums going up and up and up and up, and we're trying to really buck the trend and help dentists as much as we possibly can.
The concept of the day was getting delegates to understand implant planning and implant placement from start to finish. So really understanding the concept of how to plan an implant with a full digital workflow. So we guided them from the start with CBCT scanning, all the way through to intraoral scanning, making guides, and then ultimately placing the implant correctly. But then also tying that in with the business of dentistry. So for those that are principals, associates, understanding where the financial elements are as well. And then compliance, understanding where the risks fall. So a complete workflow under one day with some really good hands-on elements. So got them placing in models and placing implants, and taking their placed implants and scanning them themselves, so they physically see the workflow and how it connects all together. So really good. We had multiple stations, and yeah, they loved it.
The first reason why it's really important for people to come to events like this is because it gives you the opportunity to network and see what other practitioners are actually doing out there. One of the second reasons is the fact that actually it gives you the opportunity to see what companies are out there to help support your practice.
It was a very good course. I did enjoy it. It was quite interesting, everything, and it was more in-depth and practical at the same time as well. It was quite unusual in a positive way comparing to other courses.
So from younger dentists really starting out trying to get into implants, who haven't done implants and want to just test the waters, to people doing their courses initially that haven't got the full confidence to undergo implants, or those that want a refresher. For the more experienced candidates that place multiple implants regularly, some of the surgeons we have that lecturing will teach you the more advanced stuff and more advanced concepts. So it really hits both sides, and it really teaches you stuff. You'll pick up something. That's the cool thing. You will pick up one thing from this course that you will take back, and I can say that with full confidence.
So the website is www.allmedpro.co.uk, and all details of both past and upcoming events will be on there. We also do quite a lot on social media and email marketing. All of our clients will typically receive information of upcoming events as part of their pack going forward. But if you're not a current client, just get in touch, give us a call. Phone number 01793 820 100, and one of our guys will be able to give you some more information on both products and also any upcoming events that we've got.